How to know if someone is in a call on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can identify if someone is on call in Discord. So just being straightforward, there isn't a way through which you can see if someone is on a call or not unless they have allowed or they have remained their privacy on public mode, where everyone can see whether the person's activity. If a person is on a group or a DM call, it will show in a message stating that someone is on video call or in call with someone else if you are also trying to call them. But when someone join a voice channel in a Discord server, only members of that server who have permission to access the specific voice channel can see that you are on a call or not. So this is basically how you can see if someone is on call on Discord or not. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.